Good wildfire mitigation can actually make your property safer and more enjoyable. Most people do wildfire mitigation for the safety aspect, and that's important. But most of our clients tell us something else happens too. After thinning, cleaning, and improving access, they end up spending more time outside. New views open up, walking paths become easier to use, and gathering areas become more accessible. When wildfire mitigation is done right, it doesn't just improve safety, it also improves the enjoyment of your property. So if you'd like your property to be safer and more enjoyable, comment Forest right down here below. We've put together a free wildfire mitigation guide and we'll send it over to you.